we are at Navlakha Palace in Gondal, and today is our second day at Gondal. Yesterday we had come to this palace, but it was closed as it was 7 o'clock. So now today I am going to show you this amazing place, and so let's go. This is the main palace in front of me, but right now we are going to see where the queens used to stay, and for now it has been converted into museum. One is, I think, doll museum, then there is a crockery museum. I'll show you along. So we are entering the Queen's Palace of Gondal, Navlakha Palace, Queen's area. So this is the Queen's Palace. They used to stay out here. Here some Colors Channel serial was shot here in this verandas. We are in the Baithak room of the king, and now they have made it into the Vessel Museum, and they have collection from all the metals. They have Tramba, Kasa and everything. So we are seeing the watch collection, clock collection instead. Yes. Beautiful watch. What do you think for your house? He was measured in gold, and that gold was used to build schools and community places. Complete seeing this museum, it costed me 320 rupees plus 50 rupees of camera. So if you want to see the complete museum and the palace, it will cost you around 320 rupees. So right now I am in cutlery and crockery section of the palace. There are few amazing pieces which I love. I'll show you that. Oldest dinner set is from 1800 century, still intact. So let me show you the collection of kettles. It's almost around 400 kettles out here, and it's really amazing. I love to collect kettles myself, and I have collection of around 20. Okay, the king over here in Gondal has collection of around 400 kettles right now in the museum. Okay, I found my favorite kettle. I know this is little simple, but it's so royal. Yeah. So this is my birth year plate, 1988. It's beautiful, right? We have similar cart at home. Okay, we have spent a lot of money to maintain it. And it's beautiful cart. This is also seen black and gold is beautiful. You can have a look. Navlakha Palace in Gondal, and this platform is for Durga Puja and Katha, everything. And we are going upstairs and seeing the palace, and then we are coming downstairs and seeing the chariot collection of the king. So let's go upstairs. And also Prem Ratan Dhan Payo was shot. The football shot was here. The rangoli was made on this. amazing place in the palace, and now we are entering the palace. And yesterday I had shown you books from the Orchard Palace Library, but today we are in the main palace, Navlatha Palace Library, and he's a very avid reader. Gujarati dictionary he's written himself, the Raja Bhagwat Singh. Now it's divided into 9 parts. Here we can find books from various fields. I just saw a human physiology book and I was thinking whether he's a doctor. And then I found a LLB book, and then I found an engineering book. So I just came to know he was doctor, engineer and a lawyer. Oh my God, what a dream. See, this is Human Physiology, edited by Power, 9th edition. Wow. And then there are law books out here, which I'm talking about. Yeah, he is superb. Yes, Bombay something law 1885 to 1890. God, he is so intel. Medical science books. These are medical science books. His degrees are right here. When he was a child, Bhagwat Singh used to have these furniture to himself. So we have designed Param's furniture of olive green in our house. Okay, so Param's room would have olive green color and grey color. So soon you can see that background in my videos. This is the courtroom of Bhagat Singh Ji Raja. This is the view from the palace. So right now we are going to see the doll collection of this palace, and it seems they are really very costly dolls out here. She's so cute. So these are the certificates where of authenticity, where they are made.
China.
China. This is my favorite doll, yeah. She's so cute. We are going to see the royal carriage collection of the king. There are a lot of them. These are the names of the horses they have kept till now. Fancy seems to be good name. In the era of Bhagwat Singh, every old woman, every child was literate. As he himself was very keen about studying, and he had so many degrees, as I showed you. So he was very keen about these, and he was also interested in the horse carriages. So he has a lot of them in his collection. Okay, so that red one was used in the Prem Ratan Dhan Payo movie. On that scene where it falls in the valley. So this is the brake out here in the carriage. And this was the weighing scale which was used to measure the king against gold, and that gold was used to build schools and colleges, and mainly the most part of the gold was used for girls' education. All these are the degree of Maharana Shri Bhagwat Singh Ji. As I told you, he had number of degrees to himself. So this is the idol of Bhagwat Singh Ji. He was 6 feet and 7 inches in height, and it needed 90 kgs to weigh in gold. So we are going for darshan of Gondal Nag Bapa Mandir. This is Nag Bapa Mandir in Gondal. Here on Nag Panchami, the grand puja is organized. So we are at Bhubaneswari temple in Gondal. This is one of the very famous mandirs of Gondal. It is believed that if you do darshan here wholeheartedly, then your wish of your own house can be fulfilled. So please come and do the darshan. Gulmohar restaurant in town itself in Gondal. It's one of the finest. I love the food here. It's one of the nicest restaurant I saw in Gondal.